Well, that concludes our time together. But before we go, and we just took that photo today, this morning. Has it come up, everybody? And we were just enjoying our lunch together. But my hope is that some of this has fed into you some really interesting thoughts and ideas about what could be future topics, what could be things that we could be looking at in the future, and how can we ensure that this contributes to the skills of our peers to each other and also to the benefit of the profession. And so on this particular slide, we've got access to the survey, and I'm hoping that Luan has put into the chat a link to the survey. Please do fill out the survey for us. How did you find the actual regional hui? Were there things that we did well? What can we do better? That kind of thing. We're going to take a break, and after we will be returning at 2 p.m. for the ATLAANZ AGM. Another thing to be mindful of is that there is another, I'll put it into the chat shortly, another Padlet that is available. If you would like to share any of your achievements and awards in the Padlet, we'll be sharing that at the ATLAANZ AGM later on this afternoon at 2 p.m. So we so appreciate you all participating. Let's close our time for karakia. And thank you everybody for participating. Me noi tātou. Kia whakairi te tapu, kia whakawātia ai te ara. Kia tūriki whakataha ai. Kia tūriki whakataha ai. Haumi e hui e. Tai